Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix the problem that you can't add a Q&A to your TikTok bio. Let's get started. First, open your TikTok account. Then click on your profile icon at the bottom right. Then click on the three dot at the top right. Scroll down and tap on Report a Problem. Now tap on Abuse Report. Then click on Others. Tap on No. Then click on Still Have a Problem. Now describe what is problem and what you want to happen. And enter any active email address where TikTok team will contact you through that email. Tap on Report. Wait 48 hours until the TikTok team responds. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel.